Thank you, Mr. Speaker, sir. I must thank the honourable member for asking the question. It's a very important question because I think this week there was some issues and also some comments made about garbage collection around Nasinu Town. Just a brief background on the garbage collection services at Nasinu Town boundaries. This was in because in the past, Mr. Speaker, sir, there was a lot of issues regarding solid waste collection by the residents of Nasinu as well as the ratepayers of Nasinu. So there was an initiative starting in 2020 where the Suva City Council came on board. There was an agreement signed between Suva City Council and Nasinu Town Council for the Suva City Council to take over garbage collection services around Nasinu Town areas. And with that, there were 5 garbage trucks, 3 open trucks, and a backhoe, which is still owned by Nasinu Town Council, still as Nasinu Town Council, but used by Suva City Council. So when Suva City Council did undertake, go out and collect, they engaged a total of 25 staff to assist them in the collection of rubbish or solid waste around Nasinu Town areas. And now the two councils have come to an agreement that there's a need to separate these services, and because of the agreement it's not going to expire in July this year. So from August this year, it is expected that the Nasinu Town Council will take over the collection of rubbish within its own municipalities. Also, we need to also understand that Nasinu is also a big area. Currently, there's a total of about 11,252 rateable properties, as well as about 17 informal settlements with 1,317 households. So, in total, Nasinu Town Council has to service an area which has 12,569 properties, a population of around 65,000. And within the Nasinu Town boundary, there are 7 wards. So it's a responsibility now of the special administrators. I have faith in new special administrators who are going to take this on board and also come up with new strategies on improving the solid waste management services around Nasinu Town area. Thank you very much, Mr. Speaker, sir.
Yes, supplementary question.
Thank you, Honourable Speaker. I just wanted to ask the Minister a supplementary question, just to clarify for Parliament, talking about waste collection. Can he clarify waste collection in the different delegated boundaries, please?
Honourable Minister.
Thank you, Mr. Speaker, sir. Now, currently, Mr. Speaker, sir, each municipal council in Fiji is responsible for collection and disposal of solid waste within the municipal boundaries, including peri-urban as well as rural areas. The collection of waste in delegate areas is subsidized by the Fijian government. This, Mr. Speaker, sir, this started in 2018, whereby all the 30 municipal councils were given the responsibility to collect kitchen waste from the extended boundary previously managed by the rural local authority. And for the current financial year, $2.25 million has been granted to support those municipal councils who are not in a financial position to fully cover hard and green waste collection costs. And these are areas where so what is happening right now is municipal councils have extended their services to those areas, like Nasser is now looking after Korovo, Lami is also now looking after Lami, South Town Council is now looking after Namboa areas. And the government is going to continue with subsidizing these costs to ensure that we collect rubbish from all these areas by the respective municipalities. Thank you, Mr. Speaker, sir.
Who is looking after Lami, Honourable Minister?
Lami Town Council
is looking after Lami.
But Lami Town Council has now extended services to Navua, Mr. Speaker, sir.
Clearer now. Thank you. Yes, Pramila?
Thank you, Mr. Speaker. Sir, it needs to be clarified. I recall Honorable DPM making a statement that whose idea was this to transfer the trucks to Suva City Council. Mr. Speaker, sir, shared services is very much legal within the law, and this was the first time we were trying to look at waste management as essential as water and electricity. And the idea was to form a waste management company owned by these 3 municipalities so that they can combine the resources together and provide a thorough and a better, efficient services. But of course, the process started, unfortunately, we had COVID, and of course, you know what all happened after that. But Mr. Speaker, sir, my question to the Minister is that in the last budget, there was a reduction of $1.5 million for the services to be provided to the rural areas. How has that reduction affected the service collection?
Thank you, Honorable Minister.
Thank you, Mr. Speaker, sir. I thank the honourable member for the question that's asked before this August House this afternoon. The reduction in the grant actually does not affect the services provided by the municipal council, because if you look at bigger councils like Suva, Lautoka, they have sufficient funds to support the delegated areas. But it's the smaller councils where the government comes in and assists the provision of services, especially the government's collective services, which is an essential services. And medium and smaller town councils don't have the means, don't have the income to support these services. So currently, the reduction budget that the reduction is only to cater for those small, medium to smaller councils who don't have the financial means to manage these services. Thank you, Mr. Speaker.
I'll just make this quick announcement, honorable members.